When it comes to selling an NFT, there may come a time where you want to lower its price. My name is DigitalGrl, and in this OpenSea tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lower the price of an existing NFT listing. So currently I have this CryptoChick listed for 0.32, but I would like to lower the price to 0.29. So we're going to simply head on up to the blue button here that says lower price, and then enter the new price of 0.29. As of right now, I am using the previous listing expiration date, but we can actually set a new expiration date if we'd rather. So let's say we wanted to shorten the amount of time that it'll be listed to only 3 days. We can go ahead and select the 3-day option. And then once we're happy with both the price and the expiration date, all we have to do is hit Set New Price. From there, a MetaMask pop-up has opened up, and I'm simply going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then hit the blue sign button. So the price is updated successfully, which is great. And the NFT is now listed for 0.29. So if we wanted to go and view the listing now that it's been updated, we can go ahead and select one of its more popular traits to see it amongst other NFTs within its collection. And there we have it. It's at the 0.29 price, and it ends in 3 days. So that's it. You now know how to lower the price of an NFT within OpenSea. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do give it a like, and be sure to subscribe for more OpenSea and NFT related videos.